to ShawtyPETs, guys. I'm Sarah, and this week we're going to be doing a DIY cat house, cat scratcher, cat oasis for Binks. So the reason why I am making this DIY cat house, cat tower, cat oasis for Binks is because he is over me being in the house. He just doesn't want to play with me anymore, but he wants attention, which is great, and we'll give him all the attention, but then he starts to get really kind of aggressive, and that's just not gonna happen. So I'm gonna make sure that he has his own little place to go, to run around in, to play with, to scratch up, and that is why we are heading to Home Depot to get some of those supplies. I've been collecting boxes through maybe the past month or so. I have quite a few. I have different sizes. I can see what I can piece together. I really don't have an outline yet, but I kind of know what I want. So once I get home, we'll just kind of sketch something out and then we'll go from there. If you're ever shopping at Home Depot, in the back by the lumber, they have cut up pieces that people have taken shapes from, and like it's the scraps, and it's 70% off. Just a little DIY tip. As you can tell, I got a lot of boxes saved up, so we'll have plenty to work with. So I think I have everything I need. I'm really not too sure. I've never done this before, but I have my little helper here, Duke, my old man. So we're just gonna do a rough sketch of what it could be. Of course, it could turn out completely different. I'm really just trying to have some fun with it. So here we go. Day 2 of this cat tower. Now you really don't need to take 2 days. I just personally did because we glued stuff on here, so I wanted it to have time to set. Now we have our base down, so now we're going to work on the cat scratcher section. I'm going to rope around the whole thing and start my felt, and then after that we'll move on to the cat tower. So it'll be kind of like a 2-in-1. Again, his little oasis. Our DIY cat tower, cat scratcher done. But now it's just about adding those little details. So I'm gonna go around the boxes and add some circles, some little squares that you can jump out in and out of, and some windows. cat tower, cat scratcher is almost done. I just personally want to paint it, but we have our windows, our doors, our little thing, our little balcony that we're gonna attach. I am so excited for Binks to get in this and just to enjoy it. But I want to give it a paint job before that. So the last clip was us gluing down these little grass pads, and I forgot to show you the finished product. My bad. And I realized that 2 weeks later. As you can tell, Binks is loving his cat oasis. It's been a few weeks that we've had it, and it's going strong for the most part. He loves his bed, so we had to re-support it with another cardboard box underneath, but for the most part it's standing up. He hides all of his toys inside here, so we don't get him. This is why we put a board underneath. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this process of making our cat tower, cat scratcher, cat oasis for Binks. Thank you guys so much for joining our pack, and we'll see you in the next one.